How much you get on these, sir? That's cool.
35, 40 flip.
40 flip, huh? You got a coin? Morning.
How you doing?
Cold out here today.
Sure.
I normally don't film in the dark, but this is just too amazing not to show. What do you have in the Nintendo system?
A million times 6.5.
6.5. Is it fully complete?
Yeah, it don't have the gun, but it's got 4 controllers. It ain't comes with 2, but I have 4 of the controllers, so the gun's only.
Is the robot fully complete though?
Yeah. I've got it. Batteries in it too. I put batteries in so you can turn it on and see.
Yeah, but does that the side pieces?
Yeah, they're in there. I mean, I didn't try them out to see if they work, but.
Gotcha. There.
I got batteries in
I
there.
try the pop tart.
$2. This piece, okay, so.
Oh, they're underneath there. Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna set right there.
Yeah.
And drop it, crack it or something. Now this one here, I put a battery in it. This did not come on, but I think it's
Drilled in
that
inside.
terminal.
Yeah.
That could even be probably changed out. I mean, maybe something, but it's in good shape.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like it's.
It's not something you see very often. I'll say that.
Yeah, I've only seen if you Googled online on eBay about 3 of them that actually sold, but they went from $9.62 up to $16.99.
This is a super rare Nintendo piece. Really hard to find complete, not alone with the box being in this good condition. Something you just don't normally see, especially at the flea market. This is something I would expect to find at a video game store behind a glass case or at a video game convention. She was firm at $6.50, so I decided to pass on it. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Trying to squeeze everything in.
What do you have on this?
5.
5.
Ma'am, Jared.
I'll give you $5 for it. This is a popcorn bucket from the movie Imaginary Friends. When popcorn buckets are first released, they do sell for a premium. At the time, this was probably selling for like $25-30. I paid $5 for it. I think it was selling for a lot more, but it's only selling for like 10 to 15, so it probably wasn't the best pickup.
Been across the street?
No, not yet. These are cool, man. That's an old hat. What do you have for the logo authentic jacket? 15? Not gonna negotiate, man. You always take care of me, so.
Thanks.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you, buddy.
Yes, sir. Good luck.
Yep. Morning. How much are your figures?
Travis.
Also the Ghostbuster cars.
Ghostbuster cars. I know I do 12 for the pair. This is if you this is a complete set. You get one Build-A-Figure. This is a complete set of Build-A-Figure and everything. And one extra figure. I was asking 60 for the whole set thing.
60 for the whole set. Okay.
And everything's negotiable, so don't be afraid to talk.
No problem. I'm not afraid to talk. That's for sure. I'm looking to see what else you got. So maybe.
We ran out of daylight yesterday. So.
Yeah. What is this thing?
8 years.
This is a Disney Cards Against Humanity? Oh, Cards Against Disney.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's you will never be the same if you watch another Disney movie.
I bet. How much you get on these, sir?
Huh?
What do you have? Oh, that one has a tag on it. Is that what the price is on that?
I do 7 on that one, buddy. How much is on that one?
There's no tag.
I do 5 on here.
5 on this one. You have 12, 7, and 5. Would you do 20 for the lot?
Sure.
Okay, cool. There you go, sir.
I'll get you a bag.
Okay. I like your jacket.
Oh, thank you.
It's starting to calm down a little bit now, but yeah, it was cold earlier, man. What is this?
The only thing that's killing is my hands.
What's here? We got on these.
I got to have at least 25 out of that.
25 that one?
That is 30.
This is 30?
I have a few more of these.
What's
do
it from?
toy shows,
Yeah, I gotcha.
and I only do like 1 or 2 a year.
Okay.
I have a few more of those. I sold,
They're critters, right?
yeah, I sold like 40 or 50
Are they-
that last show we had.
Are they custom made ones, or like
No.
where are they from?
Some company in Japan.
Yeah, I don't see a thing on them. That's why I
some
was.
company from Japan.
Gotcha. Yeah, 25. That's a cool
Yeah.
piece.
Yeah, it's
The
never been
question.
opened.
Yeah, I see that. Okay. Could hold off on that for right now. But all right, sir. Thank you so much. This was a special DVD box set, 6 discs. It came with an action figure for the Ray Harryhausen Monster series. They usually go for about 40 to 45 bucks. Super cool, hard to come by. Baseball season is right around the corner, so keep an eye out for baseball bats and gloves. They always sell really good for me in springtime. What do you have in the baseball bats?
They're pretty steady at 20 a piece.
Okay.
This is a fresh order I got. I'm going to run them at like 25. They're pretty steady at 20 a piece.
Okay. What are these?
With the watches?
Huh?
With the watches?
What are you asking on these ones?
40 a piece.
40 a piece. Wow, that's an old sweeper.
Yeah.
Bristol. Huh. Never seen that before.
Yeah.
What's the age on that?
My grandmother used it up north, so
Good morning. Are you warming
75,
up?
80
You're
years
cute,
old.
but are you
Wow.
warming up?
What do you have on it?
Tried to hit
Huh?
What do you have on it?
I don't know.
10 bucks?
It's hard to do.
Seems like a good deal. This is a vintage Bissell sweeper. He said it was his grandmother's. It's like 70 years old. He only wanted 10 bucks for it. I decided to pass on it, but part of me thought it was a good deal to pick up. I didn't see a lot of comps for that model, so let me know in the comments down below if I made a mistake. I love these things. Interesting helmet.
yeah, it right is 2020. It's still in date.
Yeah. Yo. That's cool. Excuse me, sir. I'll walk over and ask. How much is that?
Price on the back?
Oh, it's priced on that? I didn't see it, no.
Oh, okay. It's all complete. I put it together. I don't sell complete ones. I just throw them away if they're not. So.
Gotcha.
$15.
15 bucks? Okay.
Yep.
Well, here's this 85. It had Paul Orndorff on it, Ricky Dragon Steamboat, Tito Santana Junkyard Dog. Not my favorite wrestlers, so at 15 bucks, I decided to pass on it. Is this all the cards you have right here?
Yeah.
All the boxes? 19 what?
The 1914 triple fold. I
Okay.
think that's the only baseball card I bought.
Gotcha. Some tobacco card, or I think they're tobacco cards. Oh, these are interesting. I just love these. Just pop out. Wow. Something you don't normally see. It's not often you see these in box out in the flea market.
Right. And everybody says, "Oh, you got any sealed ones?"
They're not bringing it here.
Flea market.
Yeah, man.
If I had sealed ones, I'd put them on eBay and ship them out to California where people got money.
Yeah.
No brainer.
100%, man. Look at this. That's cool. How much are your controllers?
10.
10? Oh, it's missing things. How much on the wand?
20.
20. Because I'm only about an hour from Orlando, I come across these Harry Potter Dragon Alley wands for Universal Studios a lot. I normally only pay about $5 or $10 when I do find these. She wanted 20. I decided to pass. They only sell for about $35 on eBay. Oh, this is cool. Oh. How much is your fridge? Does it work?
Yeah.
Do you have Nintendo as well? Do you have Nintendo? I see the controllers.
Just the accessories.
Okay. What do you ask on this stuff? For the bag? I'll give you 10. Retro video game accessories do really well. You want the original pieces. So these are the 2 original NES controllers, the original RF adapter to hooks up to the TV, and the original power cord. I paid $10 for this lot. I'm going to separate them, put them on eBay. We should get probably close to about $50 for this entire lot. You're a smart man. She's got a fire put up, everything, man.
Helps a little bit.
This guy 2 rows down is selling hand warmers. That might be the smartest row in the entire flea market right now.
Except I'm not selling this.
You should sell spots to stay next to it.
space
Rent a space. 5 minutes for $1. Yeah. You probably have a line at the door. Maybe you sell a bunch of other stuff too. That's beautiful. I got a thing for paperweights. I got nothing to put under my paper. I just like paperweights. What is this?
This is a very cool cribbage part.
Oh, that's interesting.
And I've got bowling pins for little bowling pins in the truck.
What's the backstory on that?
That's it.
That's it.
Similar ones with different not even sports. Other.
Yeah. What are you asking on it?
I have 60 on it.
60 on it.
But I'm out of here with this 40.
This is also interesting. These are old. How you doing today, man?
Good one. How are you?
Good. What do you have in your wrestling photo cards?
$5 each.
$5 each, huh? This is all you have?
Yeah.
What's the deal, dude?
Would you do a deal if I bought them all?
It better fit there.
How many are there?
I think there's 11 maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
55?
8, 9, 10, 11 of them. That's
40?
40. Yeah, I would have been more at like 30.
Oh, 35? 35, 40 flip?
40 flip, huh? You got a coin? All right. If you're gonna flip it, you're working me. Oh, we're gonna do a 30-40 flip because you won a 35, all right? All right. I'll let you call it, man.
No, you call it.
What is that? Is that? That's the heads. All right. Let's go.
Time, are you ready?
Yep. Heads. Watch it.
Oh, flipping purple.
Tails. Damn it.
Sorry, buddy.
No, man. This
How much
is.
is that game? I'm just curious.
There you go.
I ain't bad.
$40.
You need a bag?
Yeah, please, man. You might have won the battle. You're not going to win the war, my friend. Now I have to come here every week to try to challenge you for more flips, so I can. There we go, man. I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
It's. TC Comics.
And he's got everything under the.
What do you have in the Lucky Charms?
I'm gonna get $200 for it.
200.
Yeah. I couldn't find a price on it. I've been searching for months on it actually.
Yeah.
I did find out only 50 of them were made. It was the grand prize, whatever promotion they had going on.
Really?
And they had 50 of them.
So I was intrigued about this skateboard. We ended up doing some research together with the sellers here, and we found out the last one sold is actually 2021, and it sold for like anywhere from 75 to $100. As I was walking past this stand, I saw Batman poking out of this tote, so I had to go over to see what it was. When I pulled it out, it was actually a display for buttons. This looks like it's based off the original Batman movie from 1989, so this is probably 89 or 1990 release. What do you have on this?
I'll do 40 on that.
40. There was over 30 buttons on this display. It wasn't in the best condition. It was $40. It probably wasn't that bad of a deal, but I just decided to pass on it. What was that?
How's it going?
How you doing, man?
Cards, marble cards.
This is all the cards you got?
Yeah.
Oh man, you got the old wrestling magazines.
Yeah, they're all from the late 60s or early 70s. I would do like $40 for all of them.
Yeah.
That $5 each.
The Hasbro.
Yeah,
retros.
Those are reissue ones.
Yeah, you have the originals too.
There's a few in there, yeah.
I see Doink. His fingers are always missing.
Right?
Every time I find him in the wild, always missing. Rock. Get some great horror, 80s horror.
Thank you.
Oh, is that Rampage? Yeah. Oh, those are cool. What do you have? What do you have on these?
15 each. So I do 40 for the 3 of them.
Is it all different?
Yeah, they're all their own. It's a set.
I got 3 sets of those when they came out.
Oh yeah.
I still have all of. Every time I move bins around out in my shed, they just fucking go ape shit.
They don't see the batteries working.
Yeah.
They work. I loved that game when I was a kid.
Oh my god, it's such an awesome game. ECW shirts. Look at that.
Yeah. That's a back.
Yeah. Yep. Innovator Violence. I used to go see ECW live up in Pennsylvania.
Oh yeah?
Back in the day. I love the flea markets. You never know what you're going to find. And I'm a sucker for a good challenge. So how crazy was that first stand I went to? You don't see Rob the Robot complete in the box like that in that great condition. Especially at a flea market. Like, I was blown away. That was one of the first stands I went to. I would have loved to offer him like $500. I would have purchased it for like $500, but she just set up. She's like $650 firm, which I didn't even try to negotiate with her because she literally just put it on the table probably 10 minutes before that. Then I walked up to the other table and the guy had Star Wars figures from the late 70s, early 80s, complete in the box. Not something you normally see at the flea market once again. This was actually a holiday weekend. Flea markets on holiday weekends usually bring out all the top sellers and you see the best things. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you do like and subscribe. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.